Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For this video, I'll show you how to turn on active on Instagram. So first, all you need to do is open up your Instagram app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, all you need to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then tap on the settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, scroll down and then tap on this messages and story replies. From here, tap on show activity status. So as you can see, my show your active status is disabled. So all you need to do here to turn on active is to enable this one or toggle on this one. As you can see, it will show up just like this active now, active 25 minutes ago. So here at the bottom, you'll find show your active status to either you want to show up to public or just accounts you follow or have message. And yeah, that's how you basically turn on active on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.